This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel.
Today, we'll walk you through the process of creating an IAM user in AWS. First, understand what an IAM user is. When you create an AWS account, you use an email ID and password, known as root user credentials, which give full access to all resources. To grant limited access to others, you create IAM users with specific permissions. Next, access the IAM console. Log into your AWS account and navigate to the IAM console. Then, initiate the creation of a new user. Click on Users and then select Create User. Now, set the user details. Enter a username, such as John, and choose the access type, Management Console Access for AWS Management Console Login. Select I want to create an IAM user. After that, configure the user's password. Choose between an auto-generated or custom password. If you generate your own password, please remember to take note of it since we will be needing it for the access you're granting us. Take a look at the box that lets you choose whether or not you require the new user to create a new password at next sign-in. For this process, you may leave it unchecked. Then, assign the necessary permissions. You can assign permissions using groups or direct policies. For this tutorial, we'll attach the Amazon S3 full access policy to grant full S3 access. Next, review and finalize the user creation. Check all the details and permissions, then click Create User. Now to verify the new user. First, you want to copy the console sign-in URL. Next, open a new browser tab. In the search field, paste the URL. This should lead you to the page for logging in. Log in using the sign-in URL or account ID or account alias. Next, type in the password. Then sign in. This may take you a few moments. To verify the user's permissions, attempt to access different AWS services. For instance, trying to access EC2 will show a permissions error if not authorized. While accessing S3 should be successful since we granted full S3 access. That's how you create an IAM user with specific permissions in AWS. If you have any questions or would like to know more about the different IAM roles and policies,
This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.